Hey guys, today I have an idea. I'll be collecting catalog from jewelry machinery manufacturers, probably for those who are interested in opening a factory in your place, or if you have the balls to flip machinery on your online store. But anyway, if you guys cannot see the company name clearly, please leave me a comments and I'll reply to it. And anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. This is really important. Help me to grow my channel and also like probably my dream. Thank you for your cooperation. (3D printer, Chinese 3D printer. Can I take the Yasu? Wow, that's a nice microscope, tools, bench jewelry. Hey friend, how much?
Yeah.
How much?
45
45
RMB. 45,000 RMB.
RMB.
Yeah. You're from?
I'm from Ta City.
That's it.
Ta City, yeah.
Nice to meet you. You want to find a customer sheet?
I do some research, maybe open factory, you know.
Oh, open factory.
I do research.
Yeah, okay. We can, if you need anything, you can call me. I made already custom process machine.
This for silver and gold.
Yeah, for silver, gold, copper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Everything?
Yeah, everything. Just cannot do the productive cannot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, gold, silver, copper, all can do it.
Okay. Stainless steel?
Stainless steel?
No, okay.
That is behind. That's very.
Oh, what's the difference? Big, small?
This is full automatic.
Oh, okay.
Full automatic, you can just do the computer control. You can start or the process you do it. This is semi. You need to control this hearting,
okay.
and recall, and pressure, and casting. This button to be controlled by itself.
Hello, miss. What is this machine?
This is a cutting machine.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it can cut
Anything? Stainless steel, gold. Can cut any material.
yes.
How much? Machine
How
like
much?
that cost?
1,500. Price is yes.
2万.
25. Yeah.
20,000 United States.
Oh, 20,000. What's the difference between this and this small?
This is for gold bar, not for
Gold
jewelry
bar.
casting.
Oh, okay. This for jewelry casting. Eh?
Yeah. This for gold bar.
Gold parts, gold balls. Some custom factory. Hello, can I have your catalog? Can I have your catalog? Welding machine. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
What are these used? Is it used for jewelry, making the jewelry?
Yes. They are using for giving the color to the jewelry
Ah, okay.
for different carats.
Okay.
We call this alloy.
Okay, yeah, I was wondering, like what are those things
You are
used
working
for?
this industry?
I'm doing some research. Maybe I wanna open a factory, like,
This they are using for casting. They are casting. This is 3D.
So, for example, if I want to make an 18 karat gold jewelry, like, do you know, like, how
Yes.
how
You,
does
you have to design something.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you have to give the printer like this.
yeah,
And printer give you this model as a purple one, and you use it. There are some decrees for producing some
Yeah.
gold. You
Yeah.
put in the machine like this. You are
Yeah,
watching
yeah.
there. And after
and do we use that, like?
yes, for doing this one.
All right.
We
Okay.
are using for this with all the material.
So you mix it together, right?
Yes, of course.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Washing machine.
Taiwan? What kind of machine are you looking for? We have this screw cutting, wax cutting, gluing, stone
Oh,
cutting of
wow.
metal, enamel.
Oh,
you
just do some research. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it for washing? This one?
No, it's for
Cutting?
Yes, a cutter or
Stainless steels or
for some jewelry casting tray, for brass tray, gold tray.
oh, brass.
Any kind of material.
You just looking.
Yeah, maybe I open a factory.
Open a factory.
Yeah.
You wholesale. You retail.
Yeah, retail.
Retail. Oh.
I do some research.
Handmade jewelry.
No, I just resell.
Resell.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah.
Would you like to see a demo?
Oh, it's fine.
Okay.
Can I take your catalog?
Yes, sure. Definitely.
So if you this is just for black. If you want to shoot anything in white,
Is your guys your?
No,
you
so we
guys
we like buy it and resell it.
Oh, okay.
We are the retailers.
Plating machine.
Yes, this is a small painting machine. So you can put your painting solution, your distilled water, displeasing, and one here. Automation, everything setting is here. The enterprise, the speed is all setting up.
And how much does a machine like that cost?
Here in Hong Kong,
Yeah.
I asked my boss, $3,000 US.
Okay.
Yes.
Sonics. Machine.